Cebu.
Like a glance from the past. We're going to Cebu tomorrow. And I look like shit kasi hindi na ako nagka-time mag-ayos kanina. But nag-shoot kami ng video for InDrive a while ago. And right after, pumunta kami dito sa mall to shop because Weber wants to buy new clothes for tomorrow. And that's it. Right after this, we'll go home. I'm gonna go home, clean up my condo, and arrange my things for later because we're gonna be leaving at 5 a.m. Chichikahan na lang tayo while I'm packing. It's gonna be my last week sa work, and for some reason, lahat ng part-time ko or all of my extra work, tatapat siya this coming week. So, I don't know kung pupunta ba ako dito sa work ko to or pasukan ko yung job ko. Hi guys! So, I am back and I am done packing my things. It's 1:13 in the morning and we're supposed to leave at 3 a.m. dito sa bahay. Kaya I think hindi na ako pwedeng matulog kasi I might not wake up. Kinabukasan na talaga. So yeah, magpa-pastime lang ako while watching Netflix, doing TikTok and everything. And then around 2 siguro kikilos na ako, take a bath, makeup and everything. We're on our way now to the airport. We're picking up Dorothy. Kalimutan ko na naman mag-vlog, guys. I'm so sorry. Sobrang may nagmamadali kasi Cebu is late for the very first time.
Yun yung gusto ko marinig first time.
Again. 3 minutes away from the airport. Susunduin lang namin si friendship na Dorothy. And then, let's go Cebu! Cebu! Let's go Cebu!
Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Thank you so much, Cebu Pacific.
For the 580 pesos. Ikaw, magte-thank you ka ba sa Cebu Pacific?
Please sponsor us, Sepak. Libreng flight na lang.
Love your
Hold on tayo.
no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
For your vlog.
Better than yours. Love yours. Steady as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast. Let a nigga know that he alive. Make niggas mad. Snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. Tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain you brought you still lingering in your mind.
Guys, we've landed. Cebu. Here's my tita and tita. Hey guys! We're here in Cebu. waiting for Greg. Habang tayo ay nagwe-wait, mag-outfit check muna tayo. Dorothy, you go first.
Okay lang.
Okay lang, okay. Sa akin din, itong pangloob, actually dalawang dress to. Pangloob, galing sa nanay ko, di ko alam kung saan yun nakuha. Ito, okay lang din. From Italy. Okay, Bebo. Siya yung meron. Oh, wait lang. Shades from Baclaran.
Ay, eto, wait lang. Free lang to sa Watsons.
Wait
Nung
lang,
bumili
wait.
ako ng gamot. Hindi nyo kaya.
Amazing. Ganda. Hello, ganda.
Bibili kayo ng gamot na medyo mahal.
Sons, baka naman. Uy, di ko yung watches ko.
Okay. Next, Bebo. New York.
From Nickel, stop.
Wow!
Uniqlo.
Ay, H&M pala, H&M.
H&M?
Sa bottom,
H&M.
H&M.
Asa Uniqlo? Paano ko Uniqlo ko?
May
Nasa bag.
binili. Okay.
Ano pa pala? Same.
Slippers from
Shopee. Pakita yung paa mo. Baka may mga feet fetish. And then, shades from me. From Maxima. Guys, we're on our way. Para kunin yung rent-a-car namin. Punta lang kami sa parking and we'll meet the driver there. Found a car, guys.
Certain things we started getting tense up. Think we need to have a Sunday friendship.
Okay, guys. Hi! Let's go! Greg, wala ka sa ano namin, sa aesthetic namin.
Gig! Ding-dong, bili tayo, push.
Nasa ano kami, guys? Yung Lapu-Lapu.
Nakaya ano kami. Ang pumatay
My
kay
best
Jose
friend.
Rizal.
We met again.
Ang pumatay kay Jose Rizal.
Hulo? Talaga ba?
Ding-dong, bili tayo.
Cancelled. Okay, balik high school.
Ate, maganda ka lang, pero di mo alam ang history.
Guys, I'm just joking. Binaril si Jose Rizal.
Nino.
On the back.
Nino.
Hindi
Nilapu-lapu.
Nataga si ano, si Jose Rizal.
Hindi natin kilala yung bumaril. Apakainit.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog!
Ng dagat sa Maynila, guys.
Hindi kaya dagat eh.
Tanga asin nga yan. Yan yung tagagawa ng asin.
You're not aesthetic anymore.
Oh, tira mo naman lang frog. Ba't kaya yung jowa mo?
Ewan ko dyan.
Pachaw hula lang
Papatok
frog.
sa inyo. Kasi mahilig siya sa seafood.
Ha?
Lechon din seafood, di ba?
Okay, game. 1, 2, 3.
So guys, nakikita nyo ba yun? Yun yung ginamit ni Magellan kay Lapu-Lapu. So, kaya talaga namatay si Lapu-Lapu dahil. Ang laki yun. Laki. Patay ka talaga.
May ilagan yan, te.
SS niya yun. SS si Lapu-Lapu sa ML. Di ba?
I'm so sweaty.
Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be mine. You talking more than with my heart, just can't get it.
Forgot to vlog again. We're here sa Hollies. Yeah.
Nakalimutan na yung
I'm so sorry.
yung pinang ano natin. Social climb.
Wala na. So this is the rent-a-car. I forgot to vlog again. But we ate here sa Hollies Cafe near the airport kasi we're supposed to go back pa to fetch Charles.
Yes, Chas outfit.
Sabi ni Charles.
Okay, for me, the top is t-shirt, black t-shirt, and then beige pants.
Black polo tapos denim pants.
Ikaw, Greg.
Ikaw.
Ano?
Wala.
Beige polo shirt.
Ah, beige polo. Naka-black na siya.
Hindi, beige na pantalon, tapos polo shirt.
Sa akin, polo din na black. Pero yung pants, hindi ko sure.
Naka-denim pants.
Siya, we're waiting for you.
Ayun no!
Okay.
Ah, tala ka!
T-shirt! Hi, Jan!
Nanalo ako t-shirt, sabi ko. Sila.
Nanalo kami, ikaw daw magbabayad ng gasto.
Oo.
Yung pala yun.
Oo.
Kahit agad.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Thing is a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Fake niggas mad, flake snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he arrived.
Bili ni Bebo.
Oh, thank you, Labu!
Beauty in the struggle. Beauty in the struggle. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress.
Guys, we ordered the show. Then sinigang rice. Ready to eat. Yes.
We had less compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please.
Guys,
drinking all
next
the time.
location, Magellan's Cross.
Yes!
Full na. Madami ng energy.
Go Magellan!
Pero nakakaya. Kuya
Yung
King.
pinakaunang street sa buong Pilipinas.
Ano? Ano
Ito.
street?
Ano pangalan?
Ano? Osmeña. Ay, gagong galing ko, pre! Utang na ano ko yun? Nahulaan ko yun.
Dumb and dumber. Guys.
Hindi ka naman mahula.
Shut up lang kaming matatlalino dito sa likod.
Osmeña, gabi.
Team Seb. Team Seb. Ay.
Ganito na lang. Diba ikot-ikot nandito tayo. Baba muna yung tatlo. Ay, baba muna kami. Tapos ikot ka.
Lapu-lapu.
Pasok ka. Pasok ka.
Pasok si Charles.
Benta, mabenta. Sabi sa'yo yung nasa likod matatalino.
Kaya, brainy.
Boss, pasok. Ay, may yung kauna-una ng Jollibee dito. Ayan.
Wow!
Yan yung unang franchise ni Magellan. Sila na
Don't fuck me up, don't let me
Paano ba sabi?
Looking more and more, I just can't get everything so I can see I'm letting down my blood. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
Iba-iba ang ating mga trip. Isang rapper.
Isang bini.
Bini-bini. Oh, sakto. Sakto.
Kaya nga.
At isang ang aming FA. Ito naman, the artista. Yes.
Indecisive.
Indecisive trip. Cebu trip. Napakaganda.
Ano yung isa, boy?
Kakain direct.
Oo nga, di ba nagkaka-
Wala ko.
Congrats to us.
Yeah.
No, and lot.
Libre kotse, libre bahay ah.
Yes. Thank you, Cha.
Thank you, Rafisa.
Laptop ako.
Ang lahat mo yung bahay ni Rosmar.
We are much
Take my room to take a step
Other room. Cebu! Cebu! Saan? Oo nga, no! Amazing!
Parang kang sa viewing.
Ano yan?
Ako kanina pa eh.
Greg, meron tayo kaya. Meron. Ang ilan na mga ganit. Amoy mo. May basa-basa pa eh.
Morning grass now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby, baby, baby. Traveling on my empty mindset. I should've keep on pushing the best.
Umalis din yung mga gulo.
Paano? I wasted the best of me. All of it, you don't care. Not gonna be the nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make sense of love, spend on me a war.
Can I have the Anastasia?
Let it go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, won't feel it, a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days.
Wala kasi.
Guys! Welcome to the vlog.
Yung 5:30 namin, anong oras na?
What time is it, guys?
Anong location na? Anong pupuntahan natin? Bar lang.
Uy, kakain naman tayo.
Pungko-pungko nga.
Pungko-pungko! Uy! Itsura natin! Ano na lang,
Chicken and ano.
Ang ina mo, meron na sa Manila. Yun.
tara na.
Dapat kumain tayo, wala sa Iloilo.
Guys, update. Nakaalis na kami ng bahay. Halata naman. And
late. 2 hours late.
2 hours late. And ngayon, we're
Trying to find parking space
for Sugbo.
so we can eat because I'm hungry.
Ambag ka naman.
And he's hungry too.
Yeah, so that's it.
I'm speechless.
Because
Ayoko na yakaw.
Cheap ko rin na yung parking.
Hi guys. We're waiting for food to be done. And right now, Greg is doing
Okay na ba yan?
pig's brain. Konti, damihan mo. Greg. Guys, we're gonna eat slow buso. Ha? Ano to?
Uslo buwa.
Slow buwa. Put a bit of toyo.
Bago ako mainit.
Put, yeah, and then try.
Actually, wala siyang gravy.
Gravy.
Okay.
Sarap.
Pwede na.
Our food is we got this lobua, pig's brain. Then we got this one. Is it tapa?
Yes.
Tapa. And then we have this, the rice thing.
10 peso lang.
This is, I don't know, anong tawag dito, Greg? Anong tawag? Chorizo,
Chorizo.
liempo, and grilled, this one, liempo, and grilled squid. Sarap, guys. Sarap.
Let me try. First time trying this.
Okay. Na-try mo na, Cha? Na-try mo na? Not yet? Okay.
Like that.
Review. Dip lang.
Parang ididip.
Harap.
Yum!
Panghang pa yung ano ko kasi gawa na to.
Good.
Sili.
Sarap. Done eating and then going back to car na. And then, punta na lang kami somewhere. Hanap kami ng bar to go to. Yeah. And enjoy forever.
Got some racks and I was still got no cash in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these get too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some bitch or both. Hey, little bro, hit this nigga like
Dito natatapos ang storya ng Cebu.
Ay, meron pa bukas.
Good night everyone! Dito na kayo matutulog sa watches. Aren't you tired? Tired? Hi guys, it's the end of our first day here in Cebu. We're going home now and yung tatlo sa likod, bagsak silang tatlo. Kukulit eh. But yeah, that's it. Uwi na kami sa Airbnb and then rest up. And then tomorrow is another day. Thanks, Pepo! Guys, say bye to our Airbnb.
Bye, Cebu.
Wala pa. So early pa. Guys, we stayed here sa Portville, Mactan. Parang full house siya. And it's so mura. On the way to
Temple of Lea.
Temple of Lea.
Dito bago.
Look at her. Look at her, woman. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip.
Avocado ka. Hindi naman ito yung mga Video mo muna.
Ikaw ba? Isang subo.
Ay ko.
Video sila. Oh, again guys, pa-promote naman ng channel.
So,
Like, share, subscribe.
Okay, ano pa?
Ano yung ano, ma'am? Magkano ba ibibigay mo?
Ano magkano?
Para ma-promote ko. Wala nang libre ngayon.
Influencer. Ay, mga kupa.
Mga kaeka. Ay, mga kaeka.
Ang pangit naman nun.
Eka.
Kaeka.
Kasi eka siya may
Ay, o, tama.
Nag-post si RJ, una ako mag-post pa.
Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, we lost this shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to feel good.
Dapat na yung picture.
No, you like that shit. Oh, baby, 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 I'm a empty mind.
Life is not a race.
Empty mindset.
Sigurat.
Yun yung Manila Bay, oh. Manila Bay.
Manila Bay pala. Wow. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Kayo na mga sa vlog. Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys. So dito kami sa Marinduque.
We're leaving na. We're going to Temple of Leia. Piti dito.
Exit.
Then,
Boss exit.
right after Temple of Leia, dadaan ata kami ng 10,000 roses. Trivia. Alam niyo ba man-made?
Very interesting. Very nice. Very informative. Talaga?
Yan.
Ito?
What the
And you didn't
hell?
know that Leia means Leia Salonga.
Bye.
Bye. Ingat kayo.
Bye ka na sa mga fans. Gana.
Paalam na. 500 din.
Wala na, uy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sige mo kay Kenya. Kan.
Guys, say goodbye to Cebu.
Goodbye, Cebu.
Ay, meron.
That's it for our Cebu vlog.
I shall return Cebu.
We will return for the lechon.
Yes.
For the lechon, when
Yes,
I
scuba
am
diving naman tayo.
healthy again.
Ganun. Gusto ko yung mga ganun. Hindi ko pa.
Pwede bang hintayin nyo ako? Ipon muna kayo, no? Mga 3 months na ipon.
Nasa
Kaya galit
atin.
babalik ng Manila?
Ano yun eh? Babayaran.
Dagang salamat po.